Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sound in the word buck, buck, buck. Now the sound in the word book, book, book. Now I will use them both in a sentence. That book costs a buck. That book costs a buck. That book costs a buck. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!